2.24. Write a program that reads an integer and determines and prints whether it is odd or even. There's two conditions are there, odd or even. So let's ignore this hint. Whatever hint is given here, use remainder operator. Here is a hint. We just ignore about this now, and just let's come on code blocks and see how this will be. So as you remember that odd or even, we take two numbers from the user, and after that it will determine whether that number odd or even. Let's see. Obviously we have integer. Let's name this integer as well. Integer, enter a number. This is the number which we want from the user, and after that it will decide. Let's have scanf. For Sunday, because it is an integer, let's assign this integer. And now we have condition if. This is conditions, this is curly braces, these two curly braces. Every statement of an if statement will be in this two curly braces. So now let's see here. Let's write something where if that's true, then run the statement which will be in the curly braces or in curly brackets. Integer, I mean this integer, if integer modulus, this is the modulus sign, modulus 2 is equal to 0. Now print that %d means this number is an even number. So let's have a new line. Integer. Let's come out of this if statement, and now we have another if statement. In this statement we say that if integer modulus 2 is not equal to 0, this exclamation mark with equal to is, it means it is not equal to, it is not equal to 0. Print that number is, or it is an odd number. So let's have a new line, and after that semicolon. Now there we run this program. After that, let's see what will be the answer. Integer means spelling mistake is here, obviously. Enter a number. Let's enter 78. Enter 78 as an even number. 26. And 26, the statement is write a program that reads in two integers and determines and prints whether the first is a multiple of, or multiply, we can say multiple of second. Use the remainder operator. Another now we ignore the hint and just see this program on code blocks. Let's see this. Here it said that takes two integers. Let's have two integer. Let's assign this A, B. an if statement, enter two integers. It will take two integers from the user of. And now we just assign this A comma B. Now after this, the condition will start. If curly braces, if A modulus B is equal to 0, run this statement. Printf %d. %d, this number is a multiple of this number, or first number is multiple of second number, where we say A and B. So let's have another printf. Here we just have statement by a factor of this number. In first line we do not have any new line statements or \n, because here we do not have new line. In second line we have a second statement. So let's have another if statement. Let's see. If A modulus B is not equal to 0, then run this statement, which is printf %d, this number is not multi. %d. Here we have a new line A and B. Now let's run this. We just see enter two integers. Let's enter 88 and 11. Let's see, 88 is a multiple of 11 by a factor of 8.